want to share with you today these two absolutely stunning smoky quartz Vogel ones, which are around about 5 inches in size, but the quality is incredible. Natural smoky quartz. You can catch there a rainbow on this one here. Just spin it round. There we are. You can see hopefully the rainbows. Lovely inclusions, but a gorgeous clarity too. So this piece here, which has got some phantom at the top here in the centre as well, is £279, but a really stunning, unique one-off piece. There's one other piece which is smaller and very unusual in its own way. Hasn't got the rainbows, but I don't know if you can